Hello, my name is Thomas Lloyd, and this is Top Mexico's Investors Club Top Tip of the Week. Should you invest in a property for short-term or long-term rental? Our expertise is going to go ahead and tell you that if you're investing in a property in the Mexican Caribbean, short-term rental is the way to go. In 2017, vacation rentals were a $100 billion industry worldwide, and according to Wells Fargo, expected to grow to $157 billion by 2020. And even though it keeps skyrocketing, long-term rentals represent a steady income flow. No low season, no dead months, no low tourism. Both options have their pros and cons. Let's break them down. Long-term rentals, these are leasing periods of 1 month or more, usually rented out as 3, 6, or 12 months. Tenants pay their homeowner on a monthly basis and generally take care of expenses such as utilities. Long-term rentals means you receive monthly rent payments, which is a steady income. However, this income is usually lower than a short-term rental. You get consistency, less turnover, no maintenance fees, as you can charge the tenant for these and a high security deposit. You can also choose to furnish or not to furnish your property, as sometimes long-term tenants will bring their own furniture. All that sounds good, but on the low side, you have less flexibility. That means you can say goodbye to your spontaneous, spur-of-the-moment trip to the Caribbean, unless you want to rent another property to stay at. You also have a less control over the property, as you get to do less control inspections in comparison to short-term rentals. The time and effort put into finding the right tenant can be daunting, and there's also a smaller market of long-term renters out there. Now, with short-term rentals, you're renting your property out commonly for vacationers, usually on a per-night basis or up to a week. Short-term rentals have increased over the last 20 years, and portals such as Airbnb or HomeAway have made it easier to use vacation rentals as an alternative to hotels. Short-term rentals have a lot of flexibility, a higher income, less wear and tear, tax breaks, and deductions, and the ability to choose lock-off seasons for your own enjoyment. On the downside, however, competition is much higher. There are low seasons, which can see no income. And there's a whole world of things to manage. Although you work with the property manager, they will take care of everything for you. That's just an extra expense to throw into your budget book. So, short-term or long-term, it's up to you. But as experts in the real estate area in the Riviera Maya and Mexico, we'll let you in on a little secret. As investors, go ahead and bet your money on short-term. We hope this week's top tip helps you decide what you're investing. My name is Thomas Lloyd, and this is Top Mexico's Investors Club Top Tip of the Week. Make Mexico real estate your business. Hasta luego.